Welcome to the Health Watch Daily channel, where we bring you the latest and most comprehensive information on health and wellness. Today's topic is all about vegan weight loss, and we will be discussing what you can eat in a day to lose weight while following a vegan diet. Vegan weight loss is becoming more and more popular as people are realizing the health benefits of plant-based diets. One of the biggest concerns for people who switch to a vegan diet is how to get enough protein, but with a little planning and creativity, it is not difficult to get all the nutrients you need to maintain a healthy weight. To start off, it's important to understand that weight loss is not just about what you eat, but also about the amount of calories you consume. As a vegan, you need to focus on eating nutrient-dense foods such as leafy greens, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. These foods are not only high in protein, but also contain fiber, vitamins, and minerals that will help keep you full and satisfied. For breakfast, consider having a smoothie made with almond milk, banana, spinach, and almond butter. This is a great way to get in a serving of greens and some healthy fats first thing in the morning. For lunch, try a large salad filled with veggies like kale, carrots, and cherry tomatoes, topped with a serving of grilled tofu or tempeh for protein. For dinner, enjoy a hearty vegetable stir-fry with tofu, brown rice, and lots of different veggies. It's also important to drink plenty of water throughout the day, as hydration is key for weight loss. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Additionally, incorporating some form of physical activity into your routine will not only aid in weight loss, but also improve overall health and well-being. Another helpful tip is to limit high-calorie condiments and dressings, such as vegan mayo or creamy sauces, and opt for healthier options like lemon juice or vinegar. Incorporating regular physical activity into your routine, such as daily walks or yoga, will also aid in weight loss and overall health and wellness. Now, let's get a little more specific with some meal and snack examples. Breakfast. Tofu scramble with veggies, such as bell peppers and onions. Smoothie with almond milk, banana, spinach, and protein powder. Lunch. Big salad with mixed greens, roasted veggies, beans, and a vinegar-based dressing. Grilled veggie sandwich on whole grain bread with hummus and avocado. Snacks. Raw veggies with hummus. Fruit smoothie with almond milk and protein powder. Handful of almonds. Dinner. Roasted veggies such as zucchini, carrots, and Brussels sprouts, with a side of quinoa. Lentil and veggie stir-fried with brown rice. These are just a few examples of what you can include in your day-to-day meals to achieve vegan weight loss. The key is to focus on nutrient-dense, whole foods and limit high-calorie condiments and dressings. In conclusion, following a vegan diet can be a healthy and effective way to lose weight, as long as you focus on eating nutrient-dense foods and controlling portion sizes. Remember to drink plenty of water and incorporate physical activity into your routine for optimal results. Thank you for watching Health Watch Daily, and we hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give us a like and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Take care of yourself and see you next time.